What actually makes an email design convert? Is it bold visuals, complex layouts, animations, more colors, or is it something much simpler? Here is what most brands get wrong. An email can look stunning and still underperform, and another can look almost plain and quietly deliver serious revenue. Hi, I'm Dave from MailBakery. We design and build email templates for e-commerce and SaaS brands, and we see every day how small decisions impact real performance. And the biggest misconception? Email design isn't about decoration, it's about direction. In this video, I will show you the design principles that actually improve clarity, usability, and conversion, not just appearance. Let's start with one most brands overlook. Design for scanning, not reading. Most people don't read emails. They scan, especially on mobile. So if your design doesn't guide the eye instantly, you're already lost attention. You need a clear hierarchy. Headline first, support second, action third. If everything looks important, nothing is. So use clear headings, short paragraphs, generous spacings, obvious section breaks. Whitespace isn't wasted space. It creates focus. It tells the reader what matters and in what order. Good design guides attention. Great design makes it effortless. Start with one primary goal. Before you design anything, ask this: what is the one action this email should drive? Just one. Click to shop, confirm registration, upgrade a plan. If you're not clear, your reader won't be either. Many underperforming emails try to do too much. Multiple offers, multiple buttons, too many navigation links. That creates friction. Strong design protects focus. So use one primary CTA, clear emphasis, minimal distractions around it. Everything else is secondary, because when focus increases, conversions follow. Make buttons impossible to miss. Your CTA button isn't decoration, it's the moment of action. If someone wants to click and can't find the button instantly, that's lost momentum. Effective buttons are large enough to tap easily, surrounded by space, high contrast, clearly labeled such as Shop Now, Get the Guide, Confirm My Spot. Avoid vague labels like Learn More, unless the next step is obvious. And remember, most emails are open on mobile, so design for thumbs, not cursors. This one detail alone can lift performance. Keep layouts simple. Here is something most designers learn the hard way. Email clients aren't websites. Rendering varies, support is inconsistent, mobile dominates. That beautiful multi-column layout, it might break. High-performing emails often use a single column structure. It's predictable, it's readable, and it works everywhere. Simplicity isn't boring, it's reliable. And reliability builds trust. In email design, clarity beats cleverness almost every time. Use images with purpose. Images should support the message, not carry it, because many inboxes block images by default. If your email only works when images load, you're gambling. So use live text for headlines, core messaging, primary CTAs. Images should reinforce the message, not replace it. And keep them optimized, compressed, properly sized, with descriptive alt text. Faster emails perform better. Heavy emails lose attention. Create visual consistency. Consistency builds trust faster than complexity ever will. That means limited fonts, defined color palette, consistent spacing, consistent buttons. When every section looks different, the emails feel chaotic. When patterns repeat intentionally, the experience feels stable. And stability reduces mental effort. And when effort drops, action increases. So design should feel familiar, not surprising. Design for dark mode. Dark mode isn't optional anymore, it's mainstream. If your design only works on white backgrounds, you might be creating contrast issues without realizing it. So test for logo visibility, transparent images, text contrast, button readability. Real-world usage matters more than perfect mockups. Test across inboxes. Here's the part most people ignore. Email rendering isn't universal. Outlook behaves differently than Gmail. Apple Mail differs from Yahoo. Mobile app differ from desktop. Margins shift, fonts fall back, buttons break. Professional email design isn't just visual, it's technical. So test across major inboxes and devices, because when layouts break, trust breaks with them. Let's step back and look at the pattern. Strong design reduces friction. Clear structure, focused goals, obvious actions, readable layouts, reliable rendering. Every design decision should answer one question. Does this make it easier to act? If yes, keep it. If not, remove it. That's how performance improves. The best performing emails aren't always the most impressive. They are the easiest to understand and the easiest to act on. If your email design feels cluttered, inconsistent, or unreliable across inboxes, that's exactly what we help brands solve every day. If this breakdown was useful, leave a comment and subscribe for more practical email strategy. And I'll see you in the next one.